Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Python Operator Module, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. The Python Operator Module provides a set of functions that implement various operations similar to those provided by built-in Python operators. This module is particularly useful when working with functions like sorted, max, min, and other operations that require custom key functions. In this tutorial, we will explore the functionalities of the operator module with code examples to illustrate its usage. To use the operator module, you need to import it into your Python script or program. The operator module provides functions for basic arithmetic operations, functions for comparison operations like equals, etc., logical operations like AND, OR, and NOT. The itemgetter and attrgetter functions are used for extracting elements or attributes from objects. The operator module in Python provides a convenient way to perform various operations without using the traditional operators. It is especially handy when working with functions that expect key functions, such as sorting and finding maximum or minimum values. By incorporating the operator module into your Python code, you can write more concise and readable expressions, making your code more efficient and maintainable. ChatGPT.